Dear children, how are you? Did you know that today we are in a magical forest? Here, trees talk, birds sing, and little animals are our friends. Come, let me tell you an exciting story. A little girl named Zainab got lost in a magical forest. As she wandered around, she reached a small lake where a talking rabbit, a glowing bird, and a friendly bear were sitting. The rabbit saw Zainab and said, "Oh ho! Who is this? Did you get lost in our forest?" Zainab smiled and replied, "Yes, I don't know how I got here. But this place is so beautiful." The glowing bird said, "This is the magical forest. Anything is possible here. Would you like to play with us?" Zainab happily agreed. Suddenly, the bear dipped its paw into the lake and pulled out a glowing stone. It said, "This is the magical stone. It can grant you one wish." Zainab thought for a moment and said, "I wish for my family to find me, and for all of us to be happy together here." The magical stone glowed, and at that moment, Zainab's parents appeared in the forest. They were overjoyed to see her. The rabbit, bird, and bear welcomed them, and everyone celebrated together by the lake. Dear children, did you like this story? If you ever visit a magical forest, remember, courage and friendship can solve any problem. Now go, share this story with your friends and dream about the magical forest.